Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So what we're cooking today? So we're cooking Chicken Tikka Kebab on the Traeger Ranger. Now you're going to ask, well, how's he going to do that? Well, I'm going to take one of these, which is like a spike for jacket potatoes. We're going to cut the top off. And now we've got a kebab rack. Let's cook. So to make our marinade, I've got 3/4 of a cup of natural yogurt. And today I'm using this. This is Angus and Oink Tandoori Tikka Gold. So that's about 2 tablespoons. What we're going to do, mix it in. And that's ready to go onto our chicken. So we've got it on our chicken, and there's only one way to mix this, and this is with the hand. So we're going to mix it in thoroughly. Now that's going to go in the fridge for about 2 hours to marinate. Our chickens are 2 hours marinating in the fridge. So it's now time to build our kebab. So we're just going to take these chicken thighs. Load them on. We're going to go one way and the next the opposite way. That's the last piece on. Now it's ready to go on the Traeger Ranger. So we've set our Traeger Ranger to 200 degrees C. It's been up to that. So all we're going to do now is get our Chicken Tikka Kebab. Onto the rack. We'll lock it in. And I'm expecting this cook to go for about 1 hour. So look at that, beautiful. It's got the nice char on like you get on the rotisserie at the kebab shop. I think we'll get this out and get it cut up.